So first we will take strip of filter paper and draw a line from its bottom to of 2 centimeter. And on that line, put 2 dots of different color pen and one in center black color dot. And take a pencil and filter on the pencil with the help of the staple tape of glass. Place the pencil with the filter paper. See that how the filter paper does not touch the bottom on the glass. And you add water to glass. And then you will observe the solvent leaves up and dissolve the ink. Different colors can be seen moving up at different distance from each other. Thank you.